Hello, welcome to Cooking Plant Forward, and today we're going to make one of my favorite things to have in the refrigerator, pickled red onions. Now, not only are they delicious, a little bit of vinegar every day is great for you. It helps with weight loss. It helps regulate blood sugar, and well, it's delicious. You can find out more about the benefits of vinegar, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you how to make items out of plants that are absolutely delicious and will become a staple in your refrigerator. So hit that like button, subscribe, follow me, and I'll show you how to make it. Now, thin slices of onion like this. Now we are going to make the brine that's going to soak the red onions. It's very simple ingredients. So here we go. I am kind of a vinegar nut and I love vinegar, so I like to add just a little bit of white vinegar, just a couple tablespoons to give it that real nice bite. And we're going to bring this over to the stove. Get these onions into the bowl here. And then what we're going to do is take our vinegar brine and we're going to pour it over the onions. Leave it uncovered. All right, now that the sugar and salt is dissolved, it's warm. We're going to take this and pour it right over the onions. Just like this, it's warm, but you're not cooking the onions. Leave it out at room temperature. Okay, it's been a couple hours now. The onions have cooled down. You can smell it. They're starting to soften up a little bit. Now we can get it into the refrigerator, and they're better if they're done overnight, but if you were to eat it right now, it'd still be delicious. There we have it, a jar of pickled red onions. Put it on sandwiches, put it in your salad. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it.